We are interested in how the brain can rapidly translate visual input into motor output, and here we describe the emerging target paradigm, which elicits quantifiable and reliable fast visual motor responses.
The fast visual motor responses elicited by the paradigm include stimulus lock responses, which are short latency bursts of muscle activity tied to visual stimulus onset.
Having a paradigm that reliably elicits fast visual motor responses potentiates the study of the underlying neural mechanisms across the lifespan and in neurological disorders like Parkinson's disease.
Many aspects of the emerging target paradigm could be modified to better understand the sensory, cognitive, and motor factors which influence the fast visual motor system.
Begin by applying electromyography, or EMG sensors, to the targeted upper limb muscle involved in the reaching movement being studied. Visualize the target muscle by requesting an action known to recruit the muscle of interest. For the clavicular head of the pectoralis major muscle, ask the participant to relax their elbows at their sides and push their palms together. If it is difficult to visualize the target muscle, palpate the area of interest while having the participant repeatedly perform the requested action. Target areas with notable changes in the muscle for electrode placement. Use alcohol swabs to clean the skin areas where electrodes will be located, and